Welcome to Bitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about BABYPIG token. What is this token and how it does? They are performing. The performing is quite nice. Now it's a couple of hours listed on CoinGecko and we have already 184% gain of worth of this token. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. You can buy this for sure on PancakeSwap version 2, very important, version 2. If version 1 is working, please don't do it, just version 2. And for sure they have a community on Twitter and Telegram, but let's look first their website. Welcome to BABYPIG. BABYPIG token is inspired by its predecessor, Pig token, taking on the same level of security in its blockchain. It has three differentiating factors that occur during each trade: transfer mining, liquidity growth, and self-burning mechanism. Okay, so they have already some experience from Pig token. Are they the same creators? I don't know. Maybe you know it. Let me know this in the comments. Crypto, that is different. We have a transfer mining for every trade, regardless whether it is a sale or purchase. The smart contract will return half of the transaction fees, 4% to holders of the BABYPIG token automatically in proportion to their holdings. This is also known as transfer mining. Nice. We have here NFT development where we have self-burning mechanism. There is a total of 784 billion BABYPIG tokens. That's the total amount. With the self-burning mechanism, it is expected to reduce the total quantity to 550 billion tokens. Around about 30%, 40%, like this. Sustainable growth in liquidity. In every trading transaction, BABYPIG token automatically adds half of the 8% transaction fees to the liquidity pool so as to create self-sustainable growth in liquidity to get to stable market. And we have here, this is very interesting, the transfer mining. I want to speak about that. If someone sell or buy or whatever transaction or make a transaction, we have always 4% who go back to the holders, right? This fee. That means if someone sell, who cares? I make money. If someone buy, I make more money, you know. So you don't make anything wrong here with this token. How to find pigs? Sure, you can buy it. Here we have the chart on PooCoin app. We will go later to that. And here you can see the Binance Smart Contract. Tokenomics. Initial token supply, we have 784 billion of tokens. Tokens burned right now is 7 billion. Currently circulation is 776. Liquidity lock, at least 1 year the liquidity is locked. Comes from that 8% fee. 4% always of every transaction come to that liquidity pool, and this is at least 1 year locked. That's how I understand it. Mining no. And here we have the smart contract. You can just copy paste it in PancakeSwap and then you can buy this token. And also this is very interesting with that liquidity pool. So you have always 8% transaction fees and 4% go to the holders back and 4% go into the liquidity pool. That's a nice thing they have done. We have a fan art from from holders maybe. Maybe this is the first step to their NFT platform, NFT gallery we see here. I think this is made from BABYPIG token team. And NFT lucky draw, I'm not sure what is that. It can be some kind of lottery or something. Didn't find out what is that exactly meaning. We have here the team, the Wilson Chen, founder and token engineer development. Student at Singapore Institute of Management, multimedia creator, former YouTube creator. Okay. I don't know now much about this guy, but it's okay. We have one face here in the team. It's always good to have a face in the team. Small team is better than no team, right? And we have here Helix, Eric Chung, Xiao Jie, Yu, and of course they are on social media. But let's look first on the chart. What is the chart right now doing? Yes, we have this big hype, 6 hours straight big hype. I think it starts when they get listed on CoinGecko, that hype. People buy, and then many of these day traders, whatever you call them, sell their tokens very quick after they have some profits. I mean, if they double up their profits, there are people who sell it. Just they want to double up and sell it. I mean, what do you want more, right? Double up your money in one day? That's not bad. And but you can see it's just 2 days ago this coin. You cannot tell much about the performance now, right? It can go 10x up, it can go a little bit down and again up. So this project is in a hype right now. We have the Telegram group with a healthy 2,790 members. 430 are online right now. That looks healthy and looks real. We have here 11.6 thousand followers. I don't know if this is real, but it's okay. Why these members are not joining the Telegram group? I don't think everyone is just using WhatsApp for cryptocurrency. So why you are not joining your group? Please do it if you haven't done it right now. So what do you think about BABYPIG token? It is a hit or shit? It is. I think just give it the chance, project. Don't throw all your money inside. Test it on. You can see if it grows on midterm or not. If it has a chance on the crypto sky. But give it a chance. Why not? I think it's a good token for midterm profits, but on long term, I don't know what is their real intention, but just let me know it. Just write down something in the comments. Let me know what you think. Are you in? Are you out of this project? Is it a hit or a shit? Subscribe my channel, it will me help a lot. Leave me a like, and until tomorrow, I say have a nice day and make some good profits. Bye.